So I got some challenges to deal with when it comes to this channel. Now, before I tell you what's going on, I want to address the trolls, because I really don't want to hear it. Because all I do is block these people. They come in, they tell me how to handle my channel, and I know what happens is they come in from these hater channels, and these hater channels, they have a preconceived notion on how everybody should run their channels. I just watched a channel. Well, no, I'm not going to get into details. I don't want to give them any more credit than what they're worth. So a hater channel will come up with rules, and if the YouTubers that they cover don't follow these rules that they personally have laid out, then they hate on them. And so their audience creates hundreds of accounts. So let's say this hater channel gets 2,000 views. And now I know this is going to sound like an exaggeration, but each one of those 2,000 people create 100 fake accounts. So now there's 20,000 fake accounts out there, and they take these fake accounts and they go over to your channel and hate on you based on this hating channel's rules. So it's frustrating, and all you do, you spend all day, and over time you actually get to know that they're setting you up. You can tell. Well, first of all, YouTube is starting to, there's a little clue in the comments now. It's just a clue. It's not 100%, and you got to do your little checks and balances to make sure you're not getting ready to block a real viewer. But YouTube is starting to identify these hater accounts, these fake accounts. So if you pay attention, you're just blocking views all the time. But the majority of my views now are hater comments. The other issue I have in my comment section is YouTube has blocked a lot of my viewers. I know there's 2 for sure. What happens is if they say something like "God bless" too many times or something like that, YouTube will block them. The other issue I have is years ago, I can't even do live feeds on this channel anymore. Years ago, I got 50 death threats, all within 20 minutes of each other. And what it was is one of these hater channels sent out their minions, and so they did a bunch of death threats. So I reported them, which was a stupid thing to do. I shouldn't have done this. So I reported them on YouTube. So what YouTube did was restricted my comment section and took away live feeds. And the reason they took away live feeds was because you got to be able to control your comment section in the live, when they're live talking. You got to be able to control that. So since obviously I didn't have a control over my audience, they took away the 2 things that I can't control, which is the comment section and the live feeds. It's kind of depressing, because when you tell, like John and Keith, they've both been around since the inception of this channel. And YouTube doesn't let them comment in my comment section. And I know why on both of them. And it's so frustrating. They've been such loyal fans, or friends, I would even call them. I've been trying to figure out what to do with this channel. Now, like I said, the trolls are going to tell me exactly what I need to do with this channel, and they're wrong. The problem with this channel is I try to show positive stuff. I'm not into the doom and gloom. So all the other off-grid channels and homestead channels and prepping channels focus on the doom and gloom. And so they get bunches of views. As a matter of fact, about 2, maybe 3 years ago, my channel exploded. It just exploded for, 2 or 3 months. What it was is this huge off-grid channel, huge, did a doom and gloom video. And he got, gazillion views off this one video. Well, at the same time, I made a video, I would like to say, about the ATF. I think that's what it was. Which kind of connected me to this doom and gloom channel, the off-grid channel. Now, this off-grid channel had been making off-grid videos forever. And then he decided that he was going to do a doom and gloom video. Well, now that's all he does. So my video trended for a while, and then it died off, and I was right back to where I was because I was making positive videos. But he's still doing very well because he makes doom and gloom videos. And I watch them all now. No, I used to. I don't watch them all now. I don't even watch that one I just mentioned. I just watched one video of a prepper, or I should say a series of videos, whatever. So for months, he has been talking about, we need this new president. We need this new president. The world's going to die. The new president got elected, And now he hasn't changed his tone. You would think, oh, thank goodness. The new president is going to fix this, and he's going to do this, and he's going to do... Nope. The economy is going to get worse under this new guy. The one he wanted is going to get worse under this new guy. The inflation is going to get worse under this new guy, and on and on and on. It's always doom and gloom. He can't make a video because the audience doesn't want a positive video. I get about 2,000 to 3,000, 4,000 views per video, and that's my audience. That's the folks who've been with me forever. And they appreciate my work. And I appreciate them a lot. But I can't get a new audience because it's not doom and gloom. I have to do things to my videos that I don't like doing. I do it every day. And of course the hater channels send out their minions to tell me how terrible I am because I make videos that don't follow the rules of the hater channels. And so I deal with that. But I have to. I have to do this. I don't want to do it. I'm not even going to tell you what it is I do, because I just cue the haters in. Oh, I can pick on him again. So, I mean, if it wasn't for the haters, I would actually make videos that everybody liked, but you can't. You just can't do it because the hater channels come around, and pretty soon you become so absorbed. And I know people will say, just ignore the haters. When the haters are the only ones around, it's hard to ignore. I mean, think about this. 2,000 people watch my video. Let's say 500 of them are the haters. And they're the ones doing all the commenting because, YouTube hasn't blocked them yet. So that's all I deal with is blocking YouTube haters. I got a couple hundred comments the other day on whether I should run 1 or 2 generators on a Paralink. Of course, the haters picked up on, well, there's no comments in that video of the haters. It's because I blocked them all because they were calling me stupid and idiot and all that stuff. Of course it's not there. Heck, YouTube doesn't even allow that to go. It usually goes held for review. So, I mean, that's all you deal with, is just dealing with the haters on this channel. Now, if I was doom and gloom, oh man, I'd be praised and praised and praised. Of course, I'd lose my really supportive fans doing that. And I don't want to do that. I'm trapped into doing something that I don't want to do on every video. I'm trapped. I'm stuck. Because I have to compete with the doom and gloom videos. I have to compete with them, and the only way to compete with them is to do this thing that I'm not telling you what it is on every video. And I just hate doing it. I don't want to do it. I would like to be able to make a video and everything's great. And I mean, I actually had to take a class on how to do this thing to get people to watch. It was an online thing. And I got pretty good at it. I mean, people would replicate what I do on YouTube. I mean, I'm proud that I've gotten good at something, but I hate that it's that. I really do. But I do watch these other channels, these mechanic channels, these lawnmower repair channels, and all of them, 500,000 subscribers roughly. And I would imagine that's about the peak of the channel growth they're going to get. I don't think, one person's been doing it for 15 years and another person's been doing it for 5 years, and both channels have the same amount of subscribers. But the thing is if you go to their in one individual video or something, it's got 2 or 3 million views. So, because it's a topic that, somebody's having problems with their lawnmower. Why is my lawnmower surging? They type it into the search engine. And so all 4 of these channels pop up with surging engines, and they watch them all. And the problem with YouTube is it has changed over the years. The search engine used to be the way to go when making a video, trying to get that search engine. But that's not the way it works anymore. Search engine traffic is very low when it comes to YouTube videos anymore. I mean, you can look at it across the board. YouTube videos are the home page. You have to attract that home page. You know, when you're scrolling, you get, I think it's like 1.5 seconds to get somebody to click. And that's what you got to do. You got to figure out how to get that one person to go through that nightmare of videos to get that 1.5 seconds. If you don't grab it, then you've lost. I would like to change course on this channel, but I can't. This channel is not going to allow me to change course. I'm just stuck. The other issue is I've run out of things to talk about when it comes to off-grid. You know, people are even telling me now, I just got a comment the other day, that I should start traveling again to grow my channel back up. Well, first, I don't think traveling is actually going to grow your channel. Not nowadays. That industry, that genre is over. A few years ago, I started another channel, and it was doing really well. It was growing fast, and it was a little comedy channel. It was off-grid news. I mean, I started out as a news channel, but then I went into kind of comedy, and I thought it was pretty good. I think a lot of people liked it, but YouTube hated it. I mean, they hated that channel. I was getting dinged every other day on that. It was terrible. I couldn't even upload the video without them saying there was a problem with the video. So finally they struck it, demonetized the video. So I went back to having to start over with the you know, the approvals and all that. You know, with this channel, I don't have to get approvals. I haven't gotten an approval probably in 3 or 4 years. They trust that I'm going to make a good video that's not going to cause a problem. I stopped doing that channel. It was just too much work trying to start a channel every other day. And that's essentially what you're doing, is you're trying to start over every day because YouTube didn't like what I was making. You guys have been so supportive, and I really do appreciate, I can't say it enough. That's why I'm still making videos on this channel, is for you. I don't think I would be doing it any longer if it wasn't for the folks that have been on this channel for so long, rooting me on. And I can't even tell you how many people have been blocked from my channel to comment. I don't get very many positive comments anymore. I know Oscar still gets to comment, and so I appreciate all you guys. And anybody that has been restricted by YouTube, I appreciate you too. And even if you don't comment, I appreciate you. I really do appreciate you. I know there's folks out there that watch videos every day and have just stayed in the shadows. So maybe we can get the second channel going. That way we can start picking up some revenue. I know that's a terrible thing to say, but that's just the way that life is. You got to pick up the revenue. And this channel is a dying channel. There's nothing I can do to save it. I know, again, the trolls are going to tell me all the things that the haters say I need to do. You know, those hater channels. But those hater channels, they don't have a lot of subscriptions and views either. You know, they'll tell a channel with 500,000 subscribers what they're doing wrong. How does that make sense? So, again, I appreciate everything you guys have done for me over the years. And I'll keep making videos on this channel. I don't think it'll go anywhere. Especially if that other channel takes off, then I have nothing to worry about with this channel. I can just make videos and not worry about, am I going to make enough money on this video? I can just talk to you like we're friends, like I've always wanted to. So if you click this up next box, see right there, that's something I got to do to promote this channel. But if you're going to click that up next box, take you to a video where I was working on something, so hope I can inspire you. Hang in there. I appreciate it. So you can live your dreams. Thanks for watching.